Hey, I expect this will be the last video of the birdhouse series. Just noticed I got a blank block of a block of the title. Okay, this is an exploded block. Anyway, for good measure, I'll delete this this title block out of the drawing for good measure. The last video showed how to complete the file. Notice all these viewports are on non-plotting layer. To get a plot preview, let's see, say we're going to plot to PDF for now, preview it. That's how the viewport, how the paper would, or the PDF file would develop. A little bit extra white space here. I might move these two a hair to the center and this one a hair to the center. If I think about it, close the plot preview, close the plot dialog box. Now I'm going to show you the easier way to line up the views of the birdhouse. Let's copy the A size BH title layout. Right click on the layout, click move or copy, immediately check create a copy before you forget, and we'll set it to the end, the far right end of the list of layouts here. Click OK. And we'll activate A size -BH parentheses 2. Let's erase all these viewports because we're not going to use viewports. We're going to use the new high-tech method. If I can remember how to do it. Let me pause for a second while I refresh. Okay, I hope I can do this in one run. Notice you got two view panels. Actually, these may not be on your screen. We're in the 3D modeling workspace, but you may not have the view pan on the home tab. You may not have this view panel and this view panel. I have no idea why they named the panels, give the exact same name to the first and second view panel. If you don't see the two, actually it's the second one that's important, but if you don't see the two, then right click in open area here at the end of the ribbon, click on show panels, and there's the first one and there's the second one. So now I got them both turned off. Okay, to bring them back up again, click show panels. I'm just going to show the second view panel, not the first view panel. There's the second view panel with the base icon that we need. Okay, so click on the base icon, click from model space. Here it's dragging in front view of your birdhouse. Click exit, and this isn't very intuitive, but go slide up to get the top view. Slide to the right to get the right view. And slide diagonal into the corner here to get the isometric view. Okay, hit enter to finish. Now we want no hidden lines shown in these three views. They could be a little larger too. This one we want shaded and include the attributes layer. We'll select this view, click edit view, and the contextual ribbon that pops up. And we want to change the visual style or view style, I should say, to shaded with visible lines shown. There, hit escape to get out, and it does show the attributes. These three, we want to just show hidden lines. All right, what am I doing wrong now? Select, just drop down. No. Edit view, hidden lines, enter. All right, let me practice again. Okay, I believe these are all at 1 to 5 scale. So eventually I want to raise these up larger to a 1 to 4 scale. I don't know. Let's start with this parent base view. Come over here to edit view and drop down this fly out. And I want to show only the visible lines. This is kind of like visual style, but I think they call it view style for this new feature. Don't know how long it's been in AutoCAD. We only want to show the visible lines. So with the parent one selected, let's see if it'll change for all three of these orthographic ones. Good. You can exit out. Now, see if we can enlarge these three to be a 1 to 4 scale. Okay, we'll select the parent view, drop down this list and say, hey, I want you to be a 1 to 4 scale. Okay, select this and make it a 1 to 5 scale. Hopefully we can spread the views out. I'll select this guy and drag it down from using its square grip. Drag it a hair to the left. Drag this one a hair to the right. Okay, I think we're almost there. Let's center all the views. Not sure if I can click move. Good. Okay, a little bit of white here, a lot of white here. Let's move them back to the left a hair. All right, this might be made a tad smaller scale. Is there a customize? Custom. All right, don't see how to alter I guess we'll just leave it at a 1 to 5 scale. And I think on the print preview, this white area kind of balances out, averages out the white area on the right side to be about equal to the white area on the left side. Now, the problem with this, using this base icon here on the second base panel and the contextual toolbar here with edit view, which, yeah, you can also change the zoom scale here, I see. But using the visual style to only show the visible lines, changing the scale there, or as I've done, let me hit escape to bail out, select the drop down to change the zoom scale. I have not figured out how to change this to a 1 to, oh, I don't know, 1 to 6 might be a good scale, but that's not a standard scale, and I haven't figured out how to do a custom scale yet. So anyway, again, make sure you got the at least the second of the two view panels shown in your ribbon. By right-clicking in empty space of the ribbon, click Show Panels and ensure the second of the two view panels is checked. And then click on the parent base view, click Edit View, and change the view style, as opposed, kind of like visual style, but the view style only shows the visible lines, not the hidden lines. Hit escape to deselect. This one should be the shaded with visible lines to get all the colors, including the attribute red layer color. Okay. Either way, the old-fashioned way with the viewports and lining them up, notice it retains the color, or the new method using the base view. Either way is acceptable, but notice the new way you're stuck with black and white. I don't think you can show the colors of the roof, the front, the perch, the sides, like you see in the old way. Okay. I think that finishes your birdhouse. I might change the text height of this plot stamp, and I might change the format of the date. Oh, let's click back here. Yeah, 1 to 4 still applies to the 3 orthographic views. So anyway, let's either of these two layouts would be acceptable. The old way that I hope you remember how to do, or the new way that your company might prefer you do. See you in class.